Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we will dive deeper into the Extrude Cut features in SolidWorks. You'll also learn how to identify and fix common modeling errors, perform feature editing, and make most of the Heads-Up View Toolbar to improve your workflow. Make sure you watch this video completely till the end for clear understanding of the essential tools. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beginner-friendly SolidWorks tutorials and updates. So, let's get started. What we'll do is we will start working on the previously made part and we will apply our feature. So now what we'll do is we'll just select this home option. So it will display your recently made files. In this, we will select this file. So now I want to work on this plane. So what I'll do is I'll just simply left click on this plane and you will find this option sketch. You can just directly sketch here and go for extrude cut feature, or else what you can do is you can just simply go in features option and find the option called as extrude cut. So after selecting the extrude cut option, then you have to specify the plane. So now what I'll do is I will select this plane. So see, it has automatically become normal to this plane. Or else if it is not becoming normal to, if it is like this, then what you can do is just simply click on this sketch option and you will see this normal to. So it will automatically get normal to. So now what we'll do is we will draw a simple rectangle now. The next step is I will just create a small circle over here. So to apply the extrude cut feature, first we have to exit from this sketch option. So here you can just press this exit. So now see there are multiple what you say sketches. This sketch is not a single sketch. So we have to select the contour so that it will just cut that part. So see, you have to select the contour in this option and then it will apply the feature. So I will select all these options. Okay. So now I will just change the orientation. Okay. So now all these other options you can see are the same as as we have seen in our extrude boss base features. Only thing is if you want to just split this flip side to cut, it will cut the upon opposite side which you have selected the like design. So right now I will just select this option, and now if you want to just switch the direction, you can just simply click on this option. See, it is showing as reverse direction. If you just click on this, it will the direction. So apart from that, all these options are the same. Okay, now I will just simply select this option. So see, it has cut. So now if you see how much like how many features you have like followed, it will show on this design tree side. If you see, you have performed two boss extrude option like features and one extrude cut. So what I will do is I want to just edit this. So if you just simply right click on this, if you select this edit feature, then you can edit the feature of boss extrude. Okay, so I will just select this option, and now if you see, you can specify the thickness because you have selected the option which was just editing the extrude features. Okay, so I will not okay, if you want I will just change this to 15 mm. See, so if you want to just edit this feature, so we will select the edit sketch. So now I will draw something on this. Okay, so now this will create an error because this design is overlapping to each other. And so if you just exit the sketch, see, it is showing these two options because here we have multiple loops and which is not allowed. So it will show error. So these two errors it is showing. So if you just see this, it is showing the show the problem using check sketch for feature or exit the sketch and rebuild anyway. So what we'll do is we'll go for the first option, show the problem using check sketch for feature. Okay, so and we'll just select. Okay, so now if you see, this design is overlapping. So what we can do is we'll just simply go on the sketch and we'll trim this entity. Just trim to close it off. So see, now this design is fully complete because it is shaded. If you just select OK, and now if you exit this feature, see, the document is edited. So now I will just select Ctrl plus Z. So we will exit. Now you see, if you will select this option called exit the sketch and rebuild anyway. So it will show you this notification showing continue with ignore error and stop and repair. So what we'll do is we'll select this option, stop and repair. So now it is showing error. The sketch is intersecting contours. So I will just close. Now you see this feature is having error. So it is showing red color. So what we'll do is we'll just left click and we'll edit the sketch. So now what we'll do is we'll again select this trim entities and we'll trim this option. Okay, it's completed. Now we will exit. So see, these two options have been suppressed. So what you can do is you can just simply select and roll forward. So it will go forward. Or else what you can do is simply left click and you have to just drag the cursor downwards. So see, these features will again come up. So now we will look for the different options in the extrude cut features. For that, I will do is I will just share this option and we will create a new part so that we will demonstrate you about the different options. For that, I will just hit Ctrl plus yes. Now I will just close this design, and now just press Ctrl plus N so that it will pop up this window and hit enter because we are working in the part. So in the features option, select this extrude boss base command, and now I will just select right plane, and then in the sketch option select line. Now we will just create a basic design. So now we have just created a basic design, and now I will just exit from this, that we will give the thickness. So I will select this mid plane and thickness we will give some 3 mm and hit enter. So this has turned from 2D to 3D. Okay, so now go look for the option extrude cut. Okay, just hit extrude cut, and now I want to just cut on this surface. First we have to draw. So I will select this surface, will become normal too. Now in the sketch we will select a normal rectangle, center rectangle, and we'll draw a simple rectangle. And now to cut this rectangle we need to exit from 2D. Okay, so I will just hit this exit option, and now I will just roll it. Okay, you see here it is showing blind. So in blind it will just cut blindly. So I will just select this as considering as 90 mm. Okay, if you hit 90 mm it will cut till the 90 mm. So if you want to change the direction you can just reverse the direction, so it will cut on the opposite direction. See, the arrow mark is showing, and if you hit this line you see there are other different options. So if you select the through all, so how much whatever which is the last surface till that it will cut. See, it is previewing you till this last surface. So this feature is through all. The next is through all both side. So if you're drawing at some middle, so if you have other sketches here also and here also, so it will cut through this direction as well as the opposite direction. Okay, So next is the up to the next. So the very next surface which you have, it will cut till there. See, it has cut till this surface. Okay, and the next is up to the vertex. So you have to just select the vertex till there. It will cut. So if I select this, like this, so it will cut till this vertex. See, I've selected this edge. It is showing in pink color. Okay. Next is you have to select up to the surface. So you have to just select the surface till that it will cut. Suppose I will just select this surface. So see, the face, this face has been selected and the depth will be till this surface. Okay. The next is offset from the surface. If I selected this surface already, if I have to just select the offset distance. So if I select the 30 mm, so this surface and this cut, the difference is 30 mm. Okay. So there are other options also. Reverse offset, it will reverse, means it will go just beyond this selected surface. Okay. And this translate surface and flip side to cut. I will just select this, and the next is the up to the body. So if you have different bodies, this is the single body. Okay. If you have other body and you have to just cut till that, so it will cut till that body. Okay. The next is mid plane. So I will just select this as 50 mm. So 25 mm here and 25 mm here, it will cut. So I will just hit OK. So now in this area, if you see, it is showing the option as zoom to fit. If you can just press F also, or if you just press this, it will zoom to fit. Okay. And the next is the zoom to area. Suppose I want to just zoom to this area, I will just left click and go on. The button should be pressed and you have to just scroll it how much you want to zoom. See, I have zoomed, I have just selected that area and it has zoomed till that area. Okay, and if you just hit again zoom to fit, it will come back. And the next is previously viewed. So it will show you the previously viewed area. Okay, and this section view and dynamic annotation view we will just cover in all our upcoming videos. Right now, okay, the next is the view orientation. If you just select the view orientation, you see there is a what you say, cube has been created. So if you just select any of this surface, it will give you a preview over here. If I select this hexagon, you see it is showing like this view, this view. Okay, so yeah, if you just select this view, it will just show you that view. Okay, and apart from that, if you see, if you want to just exit, you have to just select this view selector. It will come back. Okay, the next is this. It is showing the isometric view. You have to say control +7, or else you have other different options like diametric view and trimetric view. If you hit trimetric view, it will show you this view. Okay, and the next is, you see, it is showing the single view, two view horizontal, two view vertical, and four view. If you just select this two view horizontal, it will show you the two horizontal section views. Okay, and if you hit this vertical, it will show you vertical side. And the same goes for this four view. So if you want to just exit, you have to just select single view. Okay, like this, into fit, and I will just hit Ctrl+7, so it will come isometric view. Okay, and the next is the display state. So right now it is shaded with edges. So this whole complete design is shaded and it is showing the edges, means the edges are highlighted. If you hit this shaded, only the shaded part you will be seeing. Okay, the same goes, you see, it is showing the hidden lines removed and hidden lines visible. You see this option, the hidden lines are visible, it is showing in the dotted. Okay, and the next is this wireframe. If you click this wireframe, it will show you like this. And the next is the edit appearances and the apply scene and this view setting. This is, you have to just, I will just select this, and in this edit appearance, you can just change the color whichever you want. All this, if you see, if you select pink or if you select this green, it will just change the color, because when you have different like different parts and you have to just segregate, at that time it will become it will be very helpful. Okay, so The next is the view settings. Like if you want to see the real graphics, shadow in shaded mode, ambient occlusion, perspective, cartoon. If you hit the cartoon, it will show the cartoon view. And these are some of the graphics related views. And if you see here also, you see it is showing the background. If you see plain white and black drop, soft light, cool top, curved background, the background will be changed. So this depends on how you are convenient. Okay, so it is better. Yeah, I will just keep this 3-point faded default. I will just select this card. Okay, so in the next video, we will solve some basic examples related to what we have learned in our this video and previous videos. So till then, thank you.